Hello dear friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Saji French Learning. Have you ever wanted to talk about unspecified quantities of something in French language? Have you ever heard of articles partitifs in French? In this video we are going to answer these questions, so stay with me and don't forget to subscribe. As I said before, article partitif is used to talk about unspecified quantities of something, the same as some of something and a bit of something, and it differs according to the number and the gender of the noun. For masculine singular nouns, article partitif du is used. For example, je mange du pain. Du here is article partitif and it means some bread. If you don't know how do is made, watch my previous videos. The next example, elle aime du chocolat. It means some chocolate. When dealing with feminine nouns, of course singular ones, article partitif de la is used. For example, elle boit de la soupe. It means some soup. The next example, elle aime de la confiture. It means some jam. And now about plural nouns. No matter the noun is feminine or masculine, article partitif de is used. For example, nous avons des fruits, some fruit. Elle prépare des légumes. Article partitif has got one exception, and that's about the nouns that has got vowel at the beginning. No matter they are feminine or masculine, for both of them we use do l'apostrophe. For example, j'aime de l'argent. Argent is a masculine noun. Je bois de l'eau. Eau is feminine noun. Now it's your turn. Can you write one example in the comments about article partitif in French? Be careful about feminine, masculine, plural and singular nouns.